Hi, this is Claudette, and I am about to take a harbor tour around Vancouver, the city of Vancouver, BC, on Prince of Wales on a Zodiac. Yeah, it's drizzling, but welcome to Pacific Northwest. So stay tuned and hope to have some fun pictures to share with you.
Space. Now I'll get to the reasons for this transformation very shortly. Now I always say to folks, when it comes to Vancouver, we have had three major one-off events that have catalyzed urban development and immigration. The very first being in 1885 with the completion of the Canadian Pacific Railway. This was monumental, not only for the development of Vancouver as a city, but the construction of Canada as a country as well. Because by connecting the east coast with the west coast of the country, it opened up immigration by rail. And it also opened up trade for the prairie provinces of Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba, which were more readily available to ship agricultural products whichever side of the coast they preferred, in addition to receiving imports from both sides as well. That recent strike. So while the Port of Vancouver is massive for trade, these cruise ships straight ahead of us are massive for tourism. During the summer months, all the major cruise lines stop in here, whether Princess, Celebrity, Royal Caribbean, Disney, or the American. And they're all headed up to Alaska. And during the summer months, when all the major cruise lines stop in here, in the case of the very large ships, such as the Celebrity and Princess ships that we have straight ahead of us here, they inject about 4 to 6,000 people into the city. So whether it's for a 4 or 5 hour stopover, or people tacking on a few extra